جاهز؟ اربط الحزام وشغل فضولك لأبعد مدى. Science Lab 360 degree will start in
ما في حدا
عادي هيك ابو 10 دقايق
افتح والله عندك مبين.
Hello everyone! Are you excited for the second show? Can't hear you well, are you excited? For the ones that don't know me, my name is Professor Flame. And I'm here to show you a lot of amazing stuff. But before we start, we need to ask some questions first. Who loves science here? Really? All of you love the science? Okay, thank you. Put your hands down. The second question. Who loves superheroes? Okay, so you both love science and superheroes, right? So what should we do now? I was supposed to show you like one of those either science or superheroes. But you know I have an idea now. I could use the science to show you a superpower. A really interesting superpower. What about doing a lot of stuff with fire? Who loves fire experiments? Okay, so before we start doing any of the fire moves or any of the fire experiments, you need to promise me something first. Can you please raise your hand like that? Can you all please raise your hand and repeat after me? I promise you. I can't hear you. I promise you.
I promise you!
Professor Flame. That I'm not gonna do any of the fire experiments at home or anywhere else. Thank you that he promised me. And now I'm gonna start with a really interesting one. I'm gonna push my hand on fire. So to do so, without getting any hurt, I need to follow some steps. So first, I need to dip my hand inside this magical liquid, this yellow magical liquid. After that, I will put some of this gas. This is a flammable gas. I will put some of it inside the liquid. And a lot of bubble will come like that. Then I will take some of those bubbles on my hand. And after you get me a countdown from 3, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Wow.
I want to
Let's do it
try.
one more time. Do it one more time or not? Okay, so we need to follow the steps. Let's keep it down, guys. Let's keep it down. Okay, so we need to follow the steps. We need to dip the hand inside the magical liquid. Then put some of the gas inside the liquid. And a lot of bubble will come. Then take some of those bubbles on the hand. And after you give me the countdown from 3, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Wow. How did I do this? How did I get hurt?
I
Do you have any
know.
idea?
I know.
Is it because of this magical liquid?
No.
Now, what do you think this magical liquid could be? Do you have any idea?
Because there is water.
Oil? No, it's not oil. Any other guesses? Soap? Okay. Any other guesses? I can't hear you. If you want to answer, please raise your hand like that and I will listen for you all. Yes. Okay, we have a friend of ours that said the right answer. But I'm not gonna tell you now. This liquid actually is a really strange liquid. A liquid that is not easy to get. A very expensive liquid. This liquid is the water. What? العالم ممكن يسقف لصديقتنا سقفة كبيرة كانوا يجيبها بين راوند اوف ابلوز بليز ممكن نسقف لها. So yeah, our use of water to go to fire مش احنا بنستخدم المية علشان نطفي النار. So that was the trick. I dip my hand very well inside the water so the water works as a shield, as a protector. Okay, so let's move now to another trick. And let me ask you a question. Do you know a superhero that is called Doctor Strange?
Yeah!
What is the power? What is the superpower of Doctor Strange?
This one! This one!
No?
Zero kids! Zero kids!
He could make like fire rings. Yes, he could make portals out of fire rings. So I was jealous. I was really jealous from Doctor Strange. كنت غيران جدا من دكتور سترينج. Why? Because whenever I try to move the fire very fast in the air, it puts off easily. When I try to turn it up and then move it fast in the air, it goes. Until I found a really interesting way, which is that one. So do you think when you move that one in the air, it will go off? Look what will happen. Wow! Fire rings. But this fire doesn't go off. Okay. ايه رايكم نجرب الاثنين؟ نولع الاثنين سوا. Okay? So let's do this. And then do this. And then move them both. Wow! No one is going to try. We're not trying the fire experiment. We only do it. Okay, so how this one actually moves very fast in the air without going off?
Because
It
you
is
have
because those things that we use, you know, those things are the birthday sparklers. You have already played with them before. Yeah, we use in the cakes and the birthday sparklers. So those birthday sparklers has a lot of oxygen inside. And this oxygen helps them not go up easily. So what is the use of the oxygen for the fire? I will tell you now. But you need to repeat after me something first. For the fire to happen, it needs three things. Fire needs fuel. Fire eats fuel. Can you say after me, fire eats fuel? Fire breathes oxygen. Fire breathes what? And fire loves heat. Fire loves what? Okay, so those are the three components. Fuel, oxygen, and heat. From where can we get the oxygen?
From the air!
From the air, right. From where can we get the heat?
From the air!
The heat.
Fire!
The heat we could get it from lighters like those. And from where can we get the fuel? From many resources. From different things. One of them are the chemicals. We call it guys. I will not be able to continue like this. Can you please keep it down? When I ask you for your opinion, you could raise your hand and then you can continue, okay? Please keep it down a little bit, okay? So, the chemicals could be one of the fuels. I have here one chemical and I will put it inside this bottle. Then I will give it a shake like this. Shake up and down like this. Up and down and like this. And then we'll bring the heat near to this fuel and see what will happen. Okay. Wait for it. Wait for it because it will do
أنا بشوف
like this. It was amazing. So that fuel that you use, that chemical fuel that you use, is called the alcohol. Do you know the alcohol? Yeah, it's really dangerous actually. So the alcohol, the thing that we use during the coronavirus to sanitize our hands, is also a type of fuel. Actually, in the kitchen there are many fuels, and there are uncommon fuels in the kitchen. Like, do you know what? Like the coffee creamer. Do you know the coffee creamer? That, our dads actually put on the coffee. Those coffee creamers could be very dangerous as well because they could be used as fuels. Look, When we spread the coffee creamers in the air, like that. What? One more time. One more time. Wow. So how the coffee creamer could be very flammable?
They could be very
flammable when they are exposed to a lot of oxygen. If they are put on the table like that, and we try to put fire on them, they are not flammable. If they are exposed to a lot of oxygen, then they are flammable. Do you know else what could be very flammable? The cornstarch. Do you know the starch? The cornstarch? النشا، تعرفوا النشا؟ النشا برضه ممكن يبقى very flammable. امتى؟ برضه لما نعرضه when we expose the starch to a lot of oxygen it could be very flammable. خلينا هنا نحط شوية من النشا. اوكي؟ بعد كده نشغل الهيت أو نشغل الحرارة. Then we turn on the heat like that. And after you give me the countdown from 3, please. Yellow, I can't hear you. The countdown. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Whoa. Let's do it one more time. Yellow, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Wow, this is amazing. So the starch or the creamer or the flour even, when they are exposed, when they are spread in the air, they could be very flammable like that. Okay, so that's why they always advise us not to keep any dust at our houses because we don't know what's inside this dust. Could be starch, could be creamer. So if we brought the heat near to any of those materials, a lot of flame or a lot of fire could happen. Okay, so I have here a special type actually of fuel that could be heated or that could be turned on using the water. احنا we regularly use the water to put a fire. Have you ever seen a fire that light up or that happens because of water? ممكن نرجع ورا شوية. Can we please stand back? Can we please stand a little bit back? Because this one is a bit dangerous. So we're gonna put a piece of this fuel here and you're gonna give me a countdown from 3, 2, and before 1 it goes like that. Let's do it one more time. One more time. Okay, so I will put the piece inside the water and then you give me the countdown from 3, okay? Yellow, 3, 2, 1, and let's go! Wow, this is really nice. Do you have any idea what this fuel could be? That one that fires up when it touches the water. This is a chemical that we call sodium. Do you know the sodium? So the sodium actually fires up using the water. You love explosions, right? Let's do more explosions. لا شكلكم مش متحمسين. متحمسين for more explosion? Are you excited for more explosions? Because I have here many explosions. Can you focus to this balloon please? ممكن نركز مع البالونة دي علشان في حاجة غريبة هتحصل لها دلوقتي. لو ركزنا معاها في حاجة very strange that will happen to you. يلا نركز مع البالونة جامد. ركزوا مع البالونة جامد. ركزوا معاها جامد علشان خبيته صح؟ اوكي. Let's do it one more time. مرة كمان. يلا with a bigger balloon this time. Using a bigger balloon. If you don't understand, please put your hands in your ear. And can you get me a countdown from 5 this time? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Wow, that was amazing. Do you have any idea what was inside the balloon? Air is not flammable. I'm moving the fire inside the air and the air doesn't like it. So air is not flammable. What helium? Actually, helium is a close answer. That's not the right answer. What type of gas?
ثاني اكسيد الكربون.
ثاني اكسيد الكربون cannot be flammable. We use it actually to put on fire. It's not ثاني اكسيد الكربون. Hydrogen, right? Can we give him a big round of applause? It's after that gas, it's called hydrogen. Hydrogen, when we run on top, it gives a lot of energy. That's why we hear a big sound as you already hear. Okay, I think the weather became very hot because of all those fire experiments that we did. So what about trying to cool it down now? I have a material here that is really cold indeed. This material temperature could reach 200 below zero. Do you have any guesses what this material could be? Liquid nitrogen. We have a very clever boy here. Can we give him a big round of applause, please? Okay, liquid nitrogen. Liquid nitrogen temperature is 196 below zero. Very, very, very cold. Let's see how the liquid nitrogen looks like.
هذا مو سهل هذا.
So yeah, this is how it looks like. No, it's not hot, it's really cold. Super duper cold. So, do you know what happens now to the liquid nitrogen? Because of the temperature, because of the surrounding temperature, it's really hot to the liquid nitrogen. So the liquid nitrogen now is boiling and evaporating. What? مش انت قلت ان هو بارد جدا؟ ازاي هو بيغلي ويتبخر؟ علشان درجة الحرارة او الجو حواليه is very hot. So look what will happen when I expose the liquid nitrogen to more heat. بصوا كده ايه اللي بيحصل؟ بيغلي ويتبخر اسرع. Look. It boils and evaporates faster when I expose it to more heat. So what will happen if I dip my hand inside the liquid nitrogen? It will instantly freeze, yes. Who wants me to put my hand inside the liquid nitrogen? You're so villainous. No, I'm not gonna put my hand inside the liquid nitrogen. I'm not ready to sacrifice my hand for an experiment. But we could instead put this balloon. Okay, so what do you think will happen to the balloon?
Freezing.
It will pop.
Freezing.
It will get bigger.
No, freezing.
Get smaller.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's give it a shot and see. After the countdown from 3, please. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Oh, it didn't pop. Okay, so did it get bigger or smaller? What do you think?
Smaller.
For the one that said smaller, give yourself a big round of applause. Look what is happening now when you bring it again to the weather. It gets bigger. It gets bigger and bigger. Okay, so we know from that any material expands with heat and shrinks with coldness. أي مادة بتتمدد بالحرارة وتنكمش بالبرودة. Okay, that was the trick here. Who have been in an airplane before? مين سافر هنا بطيارة قبل كده؟ Okay, when I was at your age, I wanted much to be on an airplane. Do you know why? Because I wanted to open the window of the airplane and bring my hand outside to catch the cloud. Have you ever touched the cloud before? No. It's not allowed, right? Yeah, they told me so. But when I got back from this flight, I found out a really interesting way. And instead of flying to the cloud with the airplane, we could bring the cloud here on Earth. Do you know how? Using this. This is a boiling water. A water that its temperature 100 degrees. What do you think will happen when we put it on the liquid nitrogen that is 200 below zero? Yes. Sorry? Yeah, it will evaporate faster. So This is gonna be the last experiment for today. So we need a very loud countdown, this time from 10 and together and louder. Yalla! 10!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
No, I don't like it. You have better than this. From 5 this time, and I need it very loud. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Wow! Now keep where you are. Don't come to the stage, and I will come to you. I will come to each and every one to you, and I will make you touch the cloud. La la, stay where you are, and I will come to you. I will come to you to make you touch the cloud. Okay? Don't move. I will come to you. I will come to you. Yeah. Yeah. It's really cold. Yeah, the cloud is coming to you. Don't touch the bucket. Don't touch the bucket.
Thanks for bringing the clouds in the ground.
Don't touch the bucket. It's really cold. Don't touch it.
It's too cold.
Can you feel
Don't touch the bucket. Don't touch
Can
the
you
bucket.
feel how cold is it?
Kalas, kalas.
So you're all now touching the cloud. I hope you enjoyed the show. I hope you enjoyed the experiment. We're going to have another segment. We're going to have another show at 9 p.m. where you could come on stage and join me in doing some experiment. So please be here at 9. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.